In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a form in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to create right here and then click on form. Now, as you can see, you have options. You can either start from scratch or you can use these 5 powerful tools provided for you by ClickUp: a feedback form, a project intake, an order form, IT request, or even a job application. Depending on your needs, you can choose one of these 5 if it fits what you need at the moment. Let's say I'm going to make a feedback form. So choose where you want the submissions to be saved. Then click on enter. Once you enter that, you now have full access to that form and can change the contents of it to fit your needs. So, if you find this video helpful, make sure to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to support our channel, go to our affiliate links below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.